bed. Check this out. Oh, check. It's actually, that's pretty big looking unit. And got an oil cooler, little oil relocation kit. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna end up running this on this. I did end up picking up a 350Z that I would like to take to the track. So maybe we'll end up putting that on here, depending if we have time. Also a front mount intercooler, 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet. Try to stuff that behind the grill of this thing, and then try to figure out a place to mount this thing.
Right here,
so,
buddy.
I have, we have some ideas.
Right there.
And Sean went to Rocky Mountain Race Week. There was actually an S10 that had a insane, it was like a turbo LS, and right in the bed of it, it had a giant freaking turbo just right here. I love it. That smells. No, keep it running. Keep it running. That's doing great, right?
Yeah, running right.